talk about the best soccer team. Hey, Peter. Did you see the match yesterday evening? Which match? Which match? Ajax versus Juventus. Those teams are boring. Excuse me? Ajax is the best football club in the world. I'm afraid I don't have a clue. I know that only music matters. Anyway, in your opinion, which is the best team? I don't know. I heard Arsenal is the best of all time. They've got the most aggressive players, the most important coach, the toughest goalkeeper. Peter, you are so mistaken. Okay, what's so great about Ajax? First of all, their defense is superb. It's much more intelligent than Arsenal's. No, but you promised me. You're always busy. No, I don't want to go anymore. Anyway, thanks, Daddy. Thanks for your present. You are the worst father in the world. Don't worry, I'm going to have a great party all the same. Yes, with my friends. They do love me. Bye. Is everything okay, Alice? No, nothing is okay. My father keeps on being the same. Come on, Alice. Don't cry, please. Tell us what happened. Well, you know, I told you. My father decided to give me a trip for my birthday. Well, he promised to come with me. And just now, he told me that he can't anymore. Because he has some important work to do. As usual. Don't be angry with him. Even if he has something important to do, you can leave for your trip anyway. No, I don't want to go anymore. Well, don't worry, Alice. We are going to give a big party for you. Isn't that true, Guy? Absolutely. Of course. You are the most brilliant, the smartest, and the funniest roommate we've ever had. Even if sometimes you are a bit lazy, you need a special party. Thanks a lot. You are the best friends in the world. The musical was great, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Peter was excellent. Well, now let's think about the party. It's time for fun. By the way, who is coming to the party tomorrow? Well, David will be here. Mary, Paul, and Tom will be here as well. Everyone will be here. I wonder if Jack will be here. Jack? Why? He's leaving on a business trip tomorrow morning. He doesn't know exactly when he'll be back.
Hey, girls! What are you talking about?
Anne was telling me that you won't be coming to the party this evening. It isn't true, is it?
Yes, it is. I'm afraid I can't.
Business before pleasure. You never will change, will you? Excuse me. Hello? Oh, hi.
I don't really have a choice.
Listen, Jack. I was wondering if you really have to go away on business, or if you're not coming to Peter's parties for some other reason.
No, Sharon! I do have a business engagement. Anyway, since you asked, I'll tell you. There's more. I'm jealous of Peter.
Oh, come on, Jack. You only care about business.
Sure, that's what they all say. But you know, I'm interested in you. And Sharon, are you really interested in me?
Anne, who were you talking to on the telephone? Mary. She wanted to know what time the party is going to start. I think it'll start at about 9 o'clock, won't it?
Well, girls, I have to go finish my presentation. See you later. Bye.
Back to work. You'll never quit, will you? What a shame that Jack isn't coming. He's a very interesting person. I wonder if you are falling in love with him. Come on, you can tell me. Okay, but don't tell anyone.
Uh-huh.
Yes. He's quite handsome. Do you think he likes me, Sharon? What a question. It's none of my business. Don't be so difficult, Sharon. I was just asking confidentially your opinion. You are my friend, Sharon. I'm sorry, Anne. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I'm just a bit nervous these days. Why? Because of Peter. We're having some problems. I'm sorry, Anne, but I don't want to talk about that. I've got to go. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, Jack. You're always so messy. You leave your things everywhere. But what's this in the pocket? What? It's Jack and Sharon? And he's kissing her? Oh my God. Now I understand everything.
It's a shame Jack isn't here, isn't it?
Yes, it's just not the same without him, is it? Well, business is business, you know.
Well, Anne, I wonder what wonderful food you cooked for us this evening. Anne? Hello? Are you there?
Oh, sorry, Peter. I was miles away. What did you say?
What did you cook for us?
Oh, Your favorite, fish and chips.
Oh, what would I do without you?
Hey, what about me? I brought the beer.
Yes, we are glad you did. Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers to Peter's success.
Well, guys, this is the right time for an important announcement. Last night, there was a famous director at the theater. We met after the show, and he told me he was preparing a musical to be performed all over Japan. So he wants to see me for an audition next week.
Cheers! You'll be famous soon, Peter.
Surprise! Jack!
Jack!
Well, well, well. Not so dedicated to your work, are you? Peter, get me a beer. Now you're talking. Hi, Anne. Is everything okay?
Yes? No, Jack. Everything is fine. It was just really a surprise for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.